Okay, once again, good afternoon. So let's start, continue up to what we have done in the last class. The session 1 we have done. Yesterday we finished with the journal theory, right? Sorry, ledger theory, right? We finished and we have seen the various concepts. Just we'll revise in a quick time. Here, the process of transferring the journal entries to ledger accounts is called posting. The difference between the totals of debits and credits is called balance of an account. The remaining are carried forward to next year. Okay, only personal and real will be carried forward. Some of the balances are transferred to the P&L account. Those are nominal accounts. So nominal accounts are always closed. Personal and real accounts are balanced. Then after that, intro, specimen we have seen, rules we have seen. What are the rules? No rules. Don't say any rules for ledger. Simple. The account which is debited in the journal is debited in the ledger. The account which is created in the journal, ante, there is no rule, nothing. Clear? Next. After that, I taught you how to post, account nature, capital, cash, 4 pillars of accounting, expense, income, asset, liability. Expense shows which balance, income shows which balance, asset shows which balance, liability shows which balance, when it will increase, when it will decrease, when it will increase, when it will increase, increase, decrease. I have given you debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit. Done. Next, nature of accounts: personal, real, nominal. Personals all are liabilities, real all are assets, nominal is expense, income, losses, gains. Okay. Then I told you an account can show either a debit balance or a credit balance. If it shows a debit balance, we write like this: to balance brought down. If it shows a credit balance, we'll write by balance brought down. Okay, that's it. We have done with this first illustration, right? Chalo, let's do the second now. Chalo, second. Prepare the ledger accounts on the basis of the following transactions in the books of a trader. Debit balances on 1st January 2022. Okay. Cash in hand, cash at bank, inventory of goods, building, trade receivables, Vijay, Madhu. All these debit balances will show debit. Credit balances, Anand, Kapil, capital. So please understand, on 1st January 2022, if you have some balances ante, from where did you get these balances? Last year. Okay. Now, which balances will come from 1 year to another year? I told you. Personal and real accounts will come to next year. They are not closed, they are balanced, and they will take to. Whereas nominal accounts will be closed. And చెప్పానా లేదా? చూడండి, చెక్ చేసి ఎన్ని నామినల్ అకౌంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెప్పండి రా అసలు ఇక్కడ. చూడండి, క్యాష్ ఇన్ హ్యాండ్, asset, real, కదా? Cash at bank, asset, real. Inventory, asset. Closing inventory is an asset, real. Then building, asset, real. Trade receivables, and what we have to get from customers, it is debtors account. Trade receivables anna, debtors anna, same. Vijay, 2000, Madhu. What are the nature? Personal. Okay na? Next. Credit balances, trade payable, personal. Capital is also personal. Okka nominal account anunda. Just now I told you, nominal accounts will not be carried forward to next year. Nominal accounts will be closed there and then itself. So to bring these balances from last year to this year, we have to write one entry called opening entry. Gurtunda? In types of journals I told you, there is one entry called opening entry. Oksar quick notes pakkak jarpi check చేసుకోండి ఫాస్ట్. జనరల్గా మనం రివైజ్ చేయం కాబట్టి మనకు గుర్తుండదు. చూడండి ఒకసారి గుర్తొస్తుంది. చెప్పండి దాంట్లో టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఓపెనింగ్ ఎంట్రీ ఏం చెప్పాను చూడండి. అసెట్స్ అకౌంట్ డేటార్, లయబిలిటీస్ అకౌంట్, క్యాపిటల్. అదే కదరా రాసింది. సార్ నో? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ట్రేడ్ పేయబుల్స్. ఫాలోయింగ్ వేర్ ఫర్దర్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ హ్యాపెండ్ ఇన్ జనవరి. ఇవన్నీ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ జరిగినాయి. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ గోయింగ్ టు ద లెజర్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, what I will do, first we will write journal. After that, we'll write ledger, so that all non-commerce students also will become comfortable and they will understand how to write the ledgers. Clear? Let's start with the journal first. Actually, he did not ask. He asked you to do only ledger, but we'll do journal. Then, how to transfer from journal to ledger, we will understand. So, start Jay, right? In the books of a trader, right? In the books of a trader, journal, date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. These are మన columns. So draw that columns for a page. తీసినట్టు గీయకండి, మంచి. అన్నా ready? Chalo. First we have to write a opening entry. Opening entry will be always written on a opening date. What is the date? చూడండి, 1st January 2022. రాయండ్రా, 2022 January 1st. చెప్పండిరా, what are the balances? You have that material with you? First, cash in hand. Cash in hand, account debtor. Write with me. 8,000. Cash at bank, account debtor. 25,000. Inventory, account debtor. 20,000. Buildings, account debtor. 10,000. Trade receivables, Vijay, account debtor. 2,000. Madhu, account debtor. 2,000. These are the debits that we have. These are the debits that we have. 2 credits. Anand, account 5,000. To Kapil account 7,000 to capital account 55,000. Generally, total should be equal to credit. Okay, this is the logic of our balance sheet equation also. Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Yes or no? Being opening entry past. Being opening entry past. With this entry, what happens, last year all balances will come to the current year. In this, majorly you will have only personal accounts and real accounts. You will not have nominal accounts because last year nominal accounts will be closed in the last year itself. Clear? This more you will understand when we go to final accounts. So, మనం final accounts చేయలే కాబట్టి you people don't understand that closing. That closing entries I'll teach you in final accounts. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళారు? Control strike. Dana? Finished opening entry. So next. Next entry. January 1st. Purchase goods worth 5,000 payable at a later date for cash. ఇది బాగుందా? Payable at later date ఏంటి, మళ్ళీ cash ఏంటి? Later date కొట్టేయండి. For cash less 20% trade discount. ఏం చెప్పాను రా? Will you take trade discount? Never. Cash discount? Yes. So what is the total amount? 5,000. From that you deduct trade discount 20%. తీసేనా? 4,000. దాంట్లో cash discount is 5%. Cash discount is 5%. 200. So 3,800 is cash. So our transaction is not 5,000. You should never take 5,000. Our transaction is only 4,000. This I already explained you in the journal. Trade discount will never ever form part of transaction. What forms part of transaction is only cash discount. Am I clear? So right, first entry January 1st. No need to write the date. Right. Purchases account at R to cash to discount received. How much is purchases? 4,000. How much we paid cash? 3,800. Discount anta? Right. Being goods purchased and discount received. Being goods purchased and discount received. Okay na? Done? Chalo done. See there. Don't draw. Next. Next should Nana. See the next one. January 4th. Received 1980 from Vijay and allowed him discount 20. Evada Vijay Judandra? Where is Vijay? You do not join. Vijay is trade receivable. Chapandra. Trade receivable means what? Data. Who owes us money? We have to get. How much we have to get from him? But ఎంత పే చేసాడు? 2,000 ఇవ్వాలి. He said only 1980. నమస్తే. 20 rupees discount allowed. So మనకి ఎంత వస్తాయి డబ్బులు? So write the entry date 4th. So 4th right. Cash account at R. Debit what comes in? Kada? 1980. We allowed discount. Discount allowed is a loss for us. Discount allowed account at R. 20 to Vijay account 2,000. being amount received from Vijay and discount allowed. Being amount received from Vijay and discount allowed. Okay na? Done na? Next. January 8th. Purchase plant from Mukesh 5,000. Paid 100 as cartage and 100 as installation. Cartage అంటే ఏంట్రా? Transport. Transport is called cartage. ఇప్పుడు say for example we want to buy this AC. AC is Bajaj Electronics కెళ్ళి కొన్నా. I purchase from Bajaj Electronics. If you buy AC, AC will fly and come and fit here. Then first you have to transport. That is called cartage. వాళ్ళు వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏసీ అడబెట్టి ఏసీ ఏసీ అంటే ఫిట్ అవుతా. What you should do? Those are installation. These all are part and parcel of asset. If you want, you can show it separately, or if you want, club everything and show. If you people remember, I told you this in capital and revenue items. Any revenue expenditure incurred at the time of capital expenditure will become capital అని చెప్పా గుర్తుందా? So you have to add this. So total 5,000 plus 100 plus 200. Total will be 5,000. క్లబ్ చేసి రాసేయండి డైరెక్ట్గా. డేట్ ఎంతరా? 8th. Plant account at R to cash account. ఎంతది? 5,300. 5,300. Being plant purchased for 5,000 and 100 paid for cartage and 200 paid for installation. Plant account at R to cash 5,300. You can club and write, or if you want, you can write like this: plant, cartage, installation అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Nothing wrong. Being plant purchased for 5,000 and 100 paid for cartage and 200 paid for installation. Total 5,300. Okay na? Continue. ఏమైందా? 8th finish. 12th రా. Sold goods to Rahim on credit 600. చెప్పండి రా. What is the entry when you sell goods to Rahim on credit? Rahim to sales. So రాయండి. Jan 12th. Rahim account at R, debit the receiver. To sales account, credit the incomes. Being goods sold to Rahim on credit. ఎంతరా 600 800. Rahim account debtor to sales account. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్. So sales finished. Jan 15. Rahim became insolvent and could pay only 50 paisa in a rupee. Rahim became insolvent and could pay only 50 paisa in a rupee. సో రహీం ఎంత కట్టాలి అసలు మనకి? సో ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాడు 600. ఓ 1 రూపీలో 50 పైసా ఇచ్చాడు వాడు. అంటే 600లో ఎంత ఇస్తాడు? 300 we are going to get cash. What is the rest of 300? Hello? Not paying payment. There is no NAS. Okay? So Jan 15th, you will write like this. Jan 15th, you will write like this. Cash or bank account debtor 300. Bad debts account debtor 300. To credit the giver Rahim and the 600. Being final settlement amount received from Rahim as 50 paisa in a on insolvency అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఆన్ ఇన్సాల్వెన్సీ అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇన్సాల్వెన్సీ అంటే ఏంట్రా? అనేబుల్ టు ఆల్ హిస్ డెట్, అనేబుల్ టు పే ఆల్ హిస్ డెట్స్ అంటే రోడ్ ఎక్కాడాడు అంతే. అన్నా నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ Jan 18. Sold goods to Ram for cash 1000. చెప్పండి రా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎంట్రీ వెన్ యు సెల్ goods for Ram? Jan 18. Debit what comes in? Cash account debtor to credit your income sales account. ఎంత మాది? 1000. ఓకేనా? రైట్. బీయింగ్ goods sold to Ram for cash. Being goods sold to Ram for okay na? Done. This you know, this is journal. Now what we should do is, our subject is now ledger. Okay, all non-commerce students listen to me carefully. Okay, we have to open ledger. Every person, every item of expense, income, asset, liability, a separate account has to be opened. Clear? So see, what all accounts we have to open first we'll figure out, then we will go ahead. Here now, first we have written a opening entry. For everything you have to open an account. Okay, first account cash in hand, second account cash at bank, Third account, inventory, building, Vijay, Madhu. Any? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? Next. Anand, Kapil, capital. Total. So from this opening entry, 9 accounts open చేస్తా. Okay, na? మళ్ళీ చూడండి. Purchases. Have you already opened purchase? Open purchase. Cash? Already opened. ఇక్కడ ఉందిగా cash. ఓపెన్ చేశాక మళ్ళీ ఓపెన్ చేయొద్దు. Because account is a summary of all transactions at one place. Once you open cash account, why you open again? ఓపెన్ చేయొద్దు. Okay, ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయం. Discount received. Yes, you have to open. Cash? No. Discount allowed? Yes. Vijay? No. Plant? Yes. Cash? Rahim? Sales? Yes. Cash? No. Bad debts? Yes. Rahim? No. Already opened. Cash? Sales? Ala. So if it's already opened, mali open cheyaru. Okay? Now what is the format of ledger? 4 column left JL. 4 columns you get on each side. What do? That columns you open for almost all 2 to 3 pages. But I'll not open so much. Okay, as I have to show everything in one screen. I'll open all small. Clear? And only T's open chesta. But you take all the columns. మీరు ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసా? Finish. మీరు ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసా? A ledger account has to be opened like this. Cash account and మీరు heading పెట్టి date, particulars, AF number, amount. Date, particulars, AF number, amount. Like this you open for almost all 2 pages you open. Like this columns you open for 2 pages. This is debit, this is credit. Okay, na? Open this. Clear? Like this you open చేసి ఏం చేయండి అంటే ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ అకౌంట్ 2 to 3 lines ఓపెన్ చేయండి సరిపోదు. 3 lines 1 heading, 3 lines 4 lines 1 heading, లైక్ దట్ అన్ని ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, బట్ వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఇట్ లైక్ దిస్. నేను ఇలా చేస్తాను. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ cash account. I'll just open a T. Bank account. Okay, next. Inventory account. ఇది అక్కర్లేదు, ఉండదు ఇక్కడ. We'll never open an account called inventory account. Next. Next ఏంటి? ఓపెన్ చేయండి. You start opening. Buildings account. మీరు నేను చేసినట్టు చేయొద్దు రే. ఓపెన్ ఇన్ ఎ ప్రాపర్ ఫార్మాట్. బిల్డింగ్ తర్వాత జాయ్, తర్వాత మధు, తర్వాత ఆనంద్, కపిల్, క్యాపిటల్. 4 lines కంటే ఎక్కువ ఓపెన్ చేయకండి. ఏముండవు ట్రాన్సాక్షన్లు. జస్ట్ ఫర్ క్లోజింగ్ ఓన్లీ 4 lines ఓపెన్ చేసుకో. సో కపిల్ డన్. పర్చేజెస్. నెక్స్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ అలౌడ్, డిస్కౌంట్ రిసీవ్డ్, తర్వాత క్యాష్ ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్, ఓపెన్, డిస్కౌంట్ అలౌడ్, Next, plant. Mukesh. Cash వద్దండి. Sales, Rahim. Sales, Rahim. After that, Rahim became insolvent. Bad debts. Bad debts account. Sales, Ram, cash. That's it. ఓకేనా? ఓపెన్ చేయండి. These are all the accounts I have opened. Make it fast. Make it fast. Anna, cash, bank, inventory, buildings, Vijay, Madhu, Anand, Kapil, capital, purchases, discount received, discount allowed, plant, Mukesh, sales, Rahim, bad debts. These many accounts you have to open. Ganam account ఏంది? అన్ని ఉంటాయిరా. How many number are there? Those many number you have to open. ఓపెనింగ్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదరా, 8 to 9 అకౌంట్స్. ఫాస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్ రైట్ ఆల్. రెడీగా ఏంట్రా up to what you have opened, that's fine. Whatever you have not opened, while doing it, you'll open. Okay. So let's continue. Done. Done. Chalo, children, here everyone. First, we have the opening balances. On 1st January 2022, January 1st, we had the opening balances. Cash in hand, all debit balances. Debit balances ante it should be written which side? Left side, debit side. Avuna kada? Go to the date, cash first. And date రాయట్లేదు మీరు రాయండి 2022 January 1st. Go to cash account 2022 January 1st. शुरू वो छोड़ रहे लेजर जा ठीक वहां पे कैश अकाउंट हेडिंग फास्ट शुड बी फास्ट डेट कॉलम లో రాయండి రా 2022 January 1st. A debit account shows which balance? రాయండి అక్కడ 2 balance brought down. How much? 8,000. 2 balance brought down 8,000. అర్థమైందా? Next. Bank also shows a debit balance. Go to bank account. Go to bank account. Date lo రాయండి మళ్ళీ 2022 January 1st. 2022 January 1st. రాయండి 2 balance brought down. How much? 25,000. Inventory is what for us again? Asset. Go to the inventory, third account. Go to third account, inventory. Write in the date column again 2022 January 1st. Malli rayandi 2 balance brought down. How much? 20,000. Building is what for us? Asset. Asset shows which balance? Debit balance. Go to building and write again debit side. 2 balance brought down. ఓకేనా రాయండి మళ్ళీ 2 balance brought down. ఎంతరా బిల్డింగ్ Vijay. Go to Vijay account. Same date. 2 balance brought down. Go to Vijay account. Right, 2 balance brought down. Date rasara? Next, go to Madhu account. Same story. Write the date and write 2 balance brought down 2,000. 2 balance brought down 1,000. Done? Finished? Now go to the credit balances. Anand. Credit balance ante Which side we should write? Credit side. Go to the credit side, write the date 2022 January 1st. Buy balance brought down. Debit we write the letters to, credit we write the letters by. Non-commerce students, are you following? Doubt unte adagandra. 5,000 Anand. Similarly, go to Kapil. Malli rayandi. Buy balance brought down. How much Kapil? 7,000. Alage go to capital. Right. Buy balance brought down. 55,000. 55. Go to all credit accounts. Write the respective dates. 2022 January 1st. 2022 January 1st. Buy balance brought down. Buy balance brought down. Write the respective amounts. Finished done? Everyone has completed that opening balances. Now let's get into the transactions. Nana. What is the first journal entry? See, listen here everyone. Listen everyone. In the journal, first opening entry, cash we have posted, bank we have posted, inventory, buildings, Vijay, Madhu, Anand, Kapil, capital. All accounts opened. Like this, everything you need to post. Okay? Randy. Then simple logic నేర్పిస్తారా, స్పెషల్లీ నాన్ కామర్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్. మీ బుర్రలో ఏం లేదు, నేను చెప్పిందే బుర్రలో పెట్టుకోండి. అలా బుర్రలో ఏదో చెత్త ఉంది, ఆ చెత్త డిలీట్ చేయండి, నేను చెప్పింది పెట్టుకోండి, లైఫ్ ఈజీగా అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? చూడండి ఇక్కడ పర్చేజెస్ టు క్యాష్ టు డిస్కౌంట్ ఈస్ ద ఎంట్రీ. అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్, బీ కేర్ఫుల్. విచ్ అకౌంట్ ఈస్ డెబిటెడ్? ఎంత? సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు పర్చేస్ అకౌంట్ and you have to debit. Okay, in that debit we give a reference of cash 3,800, discount received 200. Clear? So in purchase account, to cash, to discount. Clear? Wait. The debit. Credit em chesinam cash. Enta aindi cash credit? We go to cash account. Em cheyali? Credit side em rayali? By purchase reference rayali. Enta? 3,008. You have to go to discount received account. Mali credit by purchase. Purchase kelli 2, cash kelli 5. Ante antak minchi emi leda. Here, so go to purchase account first. Go to purchase account. Right. Write the date. Same date. 2022 January 1st. 2 cash. Entara 3,800, to discount received 200. Go to purchase account. Write the date as 2022 January 1st. To cash 3,800, to discount received 200. Then go to cash account, right? Buy purchases 3,800. Go to discount received account, buy purchases 200. Adena? Go to purchase account, to cash 3,800. Discount received 200. Go to cash account, buy purchases 3,800, and go to discount received account, buy purchases 200. Okay na? Annara? Posted? Good. Next చూడండి అన్న. అరే మళ్ళీ చూడండి రా. I'll only for this problem I'll explain you like this. Next problem explanation ఏం లేదు, సీదా పోస్టింగ్. ఓకే చూడండి. What is the next entry? Cash debited, discount allowed debited, Vijay created 2,000. చెప్పండి రా. క్యాష్ అకౌంట్కి వెళ్ళి ఎంత డెబిట్ చేయాలి? హౌ మచ్ షుడ్ బి డెబిటెడ్? రెఫరెన్స్ షుడ్ బి గివెన్ టు విజయ్. డిస్కౌంట్ అలౌడ్కి వెళ్ళి ఎంత డెబిట్ చేయాలా? Reference should be given to Vijay. Why Vijay? To Vijay. Go to Vijay account. Vijay account should be created. Reference should be given to cash discount. Clear? First cash account calendar. Go to cash account. Right. To Vijay. Antara 1980. Cash ఎంత డెబిట్ అయింది 1980. Debit cash only 1980. Next, discount allowed account కి వెళ్ళండి. Go to discount allowed. To Vijay. To Vijay. ఎంత 20. To Vijay 20. ఓకేనా? Go to Vijay account. Go to Vijay account. Already చూడండి రా. See here everyone. విజయ్ ఎంత ఉంది 2000. Now buy cash 1980. Buy discount allowed 20. Buy discount allowed 20. Check. Vijay gets closed. Chundra, listen here once. From Vijay we should get 2000. We got 1980. We gave 20 discount to Vijay. That's it. There ends the matter of Vijay. Close it like that. Go to Vijay. Buy cash. Buy discount allowed. Okay, Dana. Next. So Vijay story finish. Chandra next. Purchase cash Vijay. Chandra next. Plant to cash. Plant ఎంత డెబిట్ అయిందన్న క్యాష్ ఎంత క్రెడిట్ అయిందిరా చెప్పండి ఎలా చేయాలా గో టు ప్లాంట్ అకౌంట్ to cash 5300. Go to cash account. Buy plant 5300. So go to plant account. To cash 5300 debit. Go to cash. Buy plant 5300 credit. Dana? Next. So plant type in kada. Plant is also done. So we have posted purchase, we have posted cash, discount, Vijay, plant, cash. Next. Rahim sales. Chapandra. India Lepandana, non-commerce. Rahim account should be debited with. Reference should be given to sales. Sales should be created with 600. Reference should be given to Rahim. So go to Rahim account. Go to Rahim account. To sales 600. Go to sales account. Buy Rahim 600. Go to Rahim account. Write to sales 600. Go to sales account. Write buy Rahim 600. Okay now? Next. చూడండి నెక్స్ట్ ఎంట్రీ రే see ya. Cash account debtor, bad debts account debtor to Rahim. చెప్పండి. Cash should be debited with 300. Reference should be given to Rahim. Bad debt should be debited with 300. Reference should be given to Rahim. Should be created with cash 300, bad debts 300. Clear? So go to cash account. To Rahim 300. Go to bad debts account. To Rahim 300. Go to cash account. Write to Rahim 300. Go to bad debts account. Write to Rahim 300. Okay na? It's done. Go to Rahim account. Buy cash 300. Buy bad debts 300. Check. Rahim gets closed. Rahim leka saripendra చూడండి. Actually from Rahim we have to get 600. We got only 300. Balance 300 was bad debts. Okay? Go to Rahim, buy cash 300, buy bad debts 300. Cash bad debts kuda ayipinda? We have done with this. Last one ra. Cash account at R to sales. Chepanana. Go to cash account, to sales, sales account, buy cash. Right. Go to cash account, to sales, andra 1000. Go to sales account, buy cash 1000. అరే ముఖేష్ గారు ఎక్కడ పోయాడు? క్యాష్ కాదు నాన్న, ముఖేష్ కదా. ఓ క్యాష్ రాశానా? ఏ నో నో నో, దిస్ ఇస్ రాంగ్ రై. ఇట్ ఈస్ క్యాష్ కాదురా, ముఖేష్. ముఖేష్ అకౌంట్ ముఖేష్ రాసాం కానీ తప్పుగా క్యాష్లో రాసాం. ఇది రిమూవ్ దిస్. ఎంట్రీలో కరెక్టే రాసాం. నువ్వు రాసాం మరి మాకు చెప్పాలిగా. ముఖేష్ ఇది క్యాష్ కాదు నాన్న, ఇది టు ముఖేష్. ఇన్ ముఖేష్ buy plant. In Mukesh buy plant. That was not a cash transaction, that was a credit transaction. Why we have written plant to cash Mari? Whatever it is, it's a credit transaction. Cash. Installation we might have paid by cash. Installation generally cash lo kattestar. So you can write separately also. You can write that separately also. Installation to cash. Let's assume all credit. Chalo. All postings done. And okay, 1-2 accounts చూపిస్తాను ఎలా క్లోజ్ చేయాలో. సేమ్ ఫాలో అయిపోండి. What was the process of balancing we learned yesterday? Higher side should be total first. Cash is which nature? Debit. Debit will be higher always. Total 8,000. Change calculator మీద fast. 8,000, 1980, 300, 1,000. 11,280. Same total you write on the opposite side. 11,280 minus 3,800. 7,004. Is 300? 300. ఒక నిమిషం ఇక్కడ కూడా చేంజ్ చేద్దాం. Plant to Mukesh 5,000. To cash 300. Our expenses 100 plus 200 we have to pay. 5,000. Plant cash 5,000 to cash. Okay na? చలో అర్థమైందారా? సో బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి అన్న. 7,180 బై బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీ డౌన్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ చూడండి. డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ అదర్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్? ఏం లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి? నథింగ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్లోజ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. 25,000, 25,000, 25,000 బై బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీ డౌన్. ఓకేనా? అలాగే చేయాలి. Close all accounts. First, which side is higher, that side you total. Balance you write on the opposite side by deducting the lower total. Inventory 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. By balance carry down. Buildings 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. By balance carry down. Vijay already closed. Madhu 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. By balance carry down. Anand 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. To balance carry down. Kapil 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. To balance carry down. Capital 55,000, 55,000, 55,000. To balance carry down. Purchases 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. To buy balance carry down. General ga purchase is a nominal account ra. It will be closed by transfer to trading P&L account. But that will be done at the end of the year, not now. Every period will transfer. Last period we close it by transfer to trading P&L. Discount received. Same story. 200, 200. To balance carry down. Actually the mali buy balance brought down on also. 20, 20, 20. Buy balance carried down. Plant 5,300, 5,300, 5,300. Buy balance carried down. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. To balance carried down. Sales 1,600, 1,600, 1,600. To balance carried down. Rahim already closed. Bad debts 300, 300, 300. Buy balance carried down. Which is the way. How do you close? Closed. Hello. To do that process of closing later, I'll explain one more problem. From that, you have to prepare individual accounts. Only 2 accounts you need to prepare. Okay? Close it later. అర్థమైందా? Able to close కదా? సరే చూడండి. See this problem next. చూడండి రా. Look at illustration number 3. Here. The following data is given by S, the owner, with a request to compile only 2 personal accounts. Any personal accounts ఏమంటున్నాడు వాడు? Only 2. Account of Mr. H, account of Mr. R. Only 2 accounts చేయండి. H, R. Logic is very simple, Nana. Student, non-commerce student, వినండి ఇక్కడ. We'll write an entry. If H is there, we'll write. If H is not there, clear? S owes to R 15,000. Who is owing to whom? S is our owner. You owe to R. Who is R now? Creditor. Because we owe to him, no? So R is our creditor. So R is a creditor. H owes to S. H is owing to us. So H evadadu? Creditor. So first thing note it. That R is our creditor. Creditor shows which balance? Trade balance. You should write like this. Buy balance brought down. H is our debtor. To balance brought down. Clear? This is 5,000. This is 20,000. Clear? Next. R sold goods worth 60,000. Trade discount 10% to yes. R sold to yes. We are writing in whose books? No. Yes. Yes, books we are writing. So when R sold, what yes did? R sold to yes. You are yes. So what you did? Purchased. So it is purchased entry. Purchases account at R to R. But how much? 60,000 low. Trade discount was 10%. 6,000. So it is 54,000. So in our account, buy purchases 1,000. Clear? Next. Mr. Yes sold goods to H of the price 30,000. What is the entry when we sell to H? We are selling to H. H is the receiver. Debit the receiver. H to sales. Enta? 30,000. Go to H account. To sales 30,000. Amma. అంతే కదా. Sorry. Okay, na? Ardena? So the transaction related to H, write in H. The transaction related to R, write in R. And in whose books we are writing these two? These two you are writing in S books. Ardena? Only 2 ledger accounts here. Then next entry. Record a purchase of 25,000 net from R. So we are purchasing from R, which were sold to H at a profit of 15,000. అంటే R నుంచి కొన్నాం, H కమ్మాం. చెప్పండి entry when you buy from R. Purchases to R. ఎంత? We sold at a profit of 15,000. అంటే 40,000 to H. చెప్పండి entry. H account at R to sales. ఎంత? Clear? ఇలా purchases to R, H to sales. చెప్పండి రా ఇప్పుడు R account లో ఎక్కడ రాస్తారు? Buy purchases. H account లో to sales. Clear? Mr. S rejected 10% of the R's goods on 4th April. 4th April ఎంత కమ్మాం వాడికి మనం? 54. 54 లో 10% rejected. What is the entry for sales కదా అది? Sales returns. Sales returns to R 5,000. ఓకేనా? ఇలా పర్చేజా? తెలియదా? తెలియదు కదా? అవునా? మిస్టర్ ఎస్ రిజెక్టెడ్. వాడు రిజెక్ట్ చేసాడ మనం కొన్నామా? పర్చేజ్ దా పర్చేజ్. So R to purchase return. Next, Mr. H issued a cash memo of 10,000 to H, who came personally to for the consignment of goods urgently needed. అంటే వాడికి 10,000 cash ఇచ్చాం S కి. We have given cash to S. Sorry, మనమే S కదా. S issued a cash memo to H. H కి ఇచ్చాం. Debit the receiver. H to cash. ఎంత? Next, H cleared half of his total dues by enjoying 0.5% cash discount, 20,000 by check. So when he's giving us, entry will be cash or bank to, sorry, discount allowed to H. Okay, ఎంత ఇచ్చాం డిస్కౌంట్ వాడికి? 0.5%. Okay na? R's total dues less 10,000 held back were cleared by check. Cash discount was 1,000 on the payment. Okay na? So we are receiving is cash discount allowed to R. Discount ఎంత ఇచ్చాం? 1,000. Total R's due లో hold back 10,000. Balance it. Close H account to record all the facts except 5,000 was cleared by him and balance R account. Balance R account అంటే to balance carried down or by balance carried down అని వస్తుంది. ఏదో సైడ్, ద డెబిట్ సైడ్ ఆర్ క్రెడిట్. ఓకేనా? ఇలా చేసి ఇలా చేయాలి. ఓన్లీ టూ అకౌంట్స్, హెచ్ అకౌంట్, ఆర్ అకౌంట్. హెచ్ డెట్ ఆర్ కాబట్టి టు బ్యాలెన్స్ బ్రాట్ డౌన్. ఆర్ క్రెడిట్ ఆర్ కాబట్టి బై బ్యాలెన్స్. అన్నా close this. Do this one. Tomorrow we'll do trial balance. Cash ఇచ్చాడుగా, క్యాష్ ఇచ్చాడుగా, ఇవ్వలేదా క్యాష్? ఆరే ఇచ్చాడు కదా మా క్యాష్. ఏది? 10,000 to who came personally for the consignment of goods urgently needed. Cash ఇచ్చాం కదా నాన్న 10,000. S gave the cash to whom? H. H to cash. Cash में मत बोल रहा. चलो, I'll see you.